The Google G Suite is a set of cloud-based apps that can be used to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Earning your G Suite certification demonstrates your ability to work collaboratively and productively in a professional environment. Completing this lesson about Gmail will help prepare you for your G Suite certification exam. Gmail is Google's cloud-based email program that lets you send and receive messages. You can also personalize your settings, chat with contacts, share files and images, and search your inbox. Because it's in the cloud, you can access Gmail anytime, anywhere, from any computer or device with an internet connection. Later in the lesson, you'll learn how to use Gmail when you're offline too. This lesson uses email examples sent between a community center group, but you can use Gmail for any function, whether it be work-related or personal. As you complete this lesson, you will compose and send email, personalize email settings, manage contacts and inboxes, chat and video call contacts, insert or attach images to an email, share files, search and sort your inbox, and use Gmail offline. To begin, sign into your Google account, open a new tab in your browser, and navigate to google.com. If you are not signed in, do so now. If you do not have a Google account, pause the video and create one now. Next, use the Google Apps menu to access the Mail app. Then, move on to the next video to personalize the settings in your Gmail account. Now it's your turn. Sign into your Google account or create one now, open Gmail, then move on to the next video.